The Riveter by Wang. Vancouver, 1942. Chinese-Canadian Josiah Chang dreams of serving his country, but prejudice keeps him from enlisting. Working as a shipyard riveter, he falls for Poppy, whose family rejects their romance. Determined to prove himself, Josiah heads to Toronto to enlist, chasing love, acceptance, and a place in a changing world. A World War II story from a rare perspective. Explores love, identity, and belonging. Powerful portrayal of Chinese Canadians. Beautiful prose with deeply human themes. Inspiring, emotional, and unforgettable. Have you read it? Do you recommend it?